Hello everyone, it's that time again. We are looking at another very interesting question. So we have 5 raised to the power of t is equal to t raised to the power of 6 to 5. Now we can recall that 6 to 5 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power of 4, yeah? So we have 5 to the power of t is equal to t raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of 4. Now this should not be, it's not difficult, so I don't want to see you running away. Now we can let t be equal to 5 to the power of x. So wherever I see t, I replace it with the 5 to the power of x. That's what you have here and here, right? Now recall that when you have in power product rule, you can actually see this in power product rule. X to the power of a all to the power of b is simply a multiplication between the powers. So what it means is that this x will be multiplied by this, which also has its own power. So that's what you have here. Right, so the next thing is, if this is 5 to the power of something and this is 5 to the power of something, what it means is their exponents are the same. So what we go ahead to do is to equate the exponents. So how do we equate the exponents? So 5 to the power of x is equal to x multiply 5 to the power of 4. That's what we have here. So the next thing we do is we divide both sides by 5 to the power of 4. We want x to be on one side. So that's what you have. So this will cancel this, and you're left with x on this side, which is what I brought out here, and then you have this. So if you look at your division law, right, you subtract the powers. So that's what you have here. And then this will give rise to 5 to the power of x minus 4, which is what you have here. Now the next thing we do is we solve by inspection. So look at this. It has a solution, and the solution is found at x is equal to 5. When you put 5 here, you will have 5 here, and when you put 5 here, this is going to give you 5 minus 1, and that is simply 1. So 5, which we set 5, x is equal to 5, and that's what you have. And if we put 5 here, 5 minus 4 will give you 1. So 5 is the same thing as 5 power 1. It means there's a solution for this very equation here at x is equal to 5. And that's what we are using. So if we set x equal to 5, don't forget that we had used a substitution here. We decided to call t 5 power x, so we need to go back and find what the power of t is. Since 5 x is equal to 5 is a solution, so in this point we simply go back and say, okay, but t is equal to 5 power x, it means that t is equal to 5 power 5, and that will give you 3, 1, 2, 5. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.